So welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever time you're watching this video. This is Adimola Joshua, the very founder of AI Academy. Just as I've promised, I will be taking you through how to create your UK TikTok account right in this video. So we'll be covering 5 things rather practically. We'll be talking about the reason why you need a TikTok account, a UK-based TikTok account, what you will need to create the account. Then we'll get a practical session where we'll create the accounts together. Then you also learn how to confirm if your account is actually a TikTok or a UK TikTok account. Then lastly, we'll talk about the do's and don'ts to retain your accounts so that you won't get banned. So let's get into it directly. The very first thing is, why do you need a TikTok account? Very simple, no fluff. The UK based TikTok account affords you to partake of the creator rewards program, which is you receiving money. Basically, there are just 6 countries that are eligible to that, which Nigeria is not part of them. So USA, UK are part. But the reason why we advise people to get a UK is because of the verification and all. It's more simpler for you to verify a UK account. You might be wondering, what about other people that have been making money on TikTok? The way they make their money is not through their content creation. Most of them make it through ads, through promotion. Some of them make it through their live session and all. So if you want to make money through your content itself, while you make your content, and after getting enough you get money, then the UK TikTok is the better one you can get on to be part of that creator rewards program. So that is why you need a TikTok account, and particularly UK, because I've been seeing people creating the US. It becomes a very great challenge when you want to monetize. That's when verification and on USA are just very strict. So we advise you use UK for what you are creating. Now, what do you need to create this TikTok? I'm talking about the second year. What do you need to create this particular UK TikTok that we're talking about? You will need nothing more. You will need just your TikTok app, your phone, your data, and you will need a fresh Gmail account, that email or Gmail, whatever one that you have not used for TikTok before. So if you have used a particular Gmail before and now you want to open a fresh TikTok account, I advise you create a new Gmail account that had not been added to any TikTok before. So just create a mail or a Gmail, fresh one, and let it be the username or whatever it is you want to use. That's it. A lot of people have been saying they use VPN. Prior to this time, people have been difficulty. They'll use VPN. Some people UK number and all. You don't need that. Just get your mail, and that is all you need to create this. So now I want us to move on quickly to the next one, which is creating your UK TikTok account. So let's dive into it. Creating it particularly now. I discovered that this work on TikTok Lite. So if you are creating your UK TikTok account, it must be the original TikTok. It doesn't work on TikTok Lite. So just come down here. I have to TikTok here. So you can later log in later on your TikTok Lite, but you are going to create using the normal TikTok. So just pause this. You want to go to this profile section here at the right part. Click on it. Then you just press sign up if you don't have an account. This is where you press next. So here, if you come here, you are likely to see continue with your phone number and all, but I advise that this is where you start from, which is by continuing with the account located in Nigeria. Click on this Nigeria. This is where the magic happens. So when you click on this Nigeria, you can now select your country. So don't forget, we are using UK, not USA. You can use Germany and other places that you can monetize, but we are using UK, United Kingdom. Okay, United Kingdom. So you can see now that this has changed. Because this has changed now, you can now continue with your Google. Don't forget, this is where you want to continue with now. You can now continue with your Google. So this is it. You continue with your Google. Okay, so I have my answer. Then let me just use this. So then at this point, you set your birthday, whichever one. I'm going to consume some of my data here, so you can do your own at your own end. Okay, lest I forget, when you are choosing your birthday, you must make sure you are above 18 if you want to be, if you have access to monetization, or when your account would have grown. By that time, you should be above 18. Otherwise, you are not going to get accepted for the creator rewards program. That's how it works. So when choosing your age, whatever it is, make sure you are above 18. So that's just it. I just choose your, let us say, CV right down of Africa. Okay. So we have created the first one. We have successfully created our UK TikTok. Now we are going to confirm if our account is actually a UK account. So let's go directly to it. So you come back, you back and click on profile. Under profile, you come to these 3 dots here. You click on these 3 dots. So you click on these three dots. When you click on these three dots, you are going to come to TikTok Studio. TikTok Studio. So you can see already from here that you have TikTok and you have United Kingdom showing here. So you can see monetization here. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for here. This is, you see that there's monetization session here. You won't get this on the Nigeria account. You won't get this one on the Nigeria account. One more way to confirm. You want to come down to the settings and privacy. Under the settings and privacy, you want to come to accounts, and right there in account, you can now go to account information. Just wait for it to load. Do you see? This is account region. You can see it's United Kingdom. So you can see it here. Your account region is what? United Kingdom. So you are very sure your account is a UK based account now. Then let's move to the next thing. So the last thing before I will cut this video, before we bring it to an end, is the do and don'ts to retain your account. Please, when you open this new TikTok account that is UK, it's advisable that you leave it for like 3 to 4 days before you post on it. If you post instantly, the algorithm is likely to get in touch with you and know that you are just coming in, and you might get blocked or whatever it is. So another thing, you don't do those tap thing, follow me, just following everybody randomly. You want to make sure that what you're doing is very legit on your account. You are not just following, tapping. The algorithm is likely to suspect you and just send you away. So another thing you want to do is that you want to create your own content. You don't want to start reposting other people's content and having violation issue. If you do that, you are likely to lose your account. So that is that. And if there are other updates on how to maintain and manage your account, you will definitely hear from me. So that is how to create a UK TikTok account in Nigeria. So I've been able to cover the reason why you need a TikTok account, what you need to create them, which is just your fresh Gmail or mail. Then how to create it practically, I've done that. Then how to confirm that your account is a UK account, I've done that. Then finally, I've spoken about the do's and don'ts. So good luck to you. Thanks for following. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much. It's still Ademola Joshua, the very founder of AI Academy.